Hi guys, Vanessa here. Today I wanted to show you guys how I created this look right here I'm wearing. Here on the eyes, I used the At Forest site, the most anticipated collab with Colourpop and Rawbeautykrisiti. This is what the packaging looks like. How cute is the packaging? Like these little mushrooms. I feel like if you were to think what Christy would do with the collab, she would totally do, this is exactly what I would envision. Something very nature-esque, just having the little mushrooms, and then this is what it looks like. Look how pretty these shades are. So this collab has an eyeshadow palette. She had, I believe, 3 gel cream liners. I picked up the brown one here, this right here. You'll see me use it today. And then I picked up one of her Luxe glosses. They had, I believe, a couple, but I was only able to pick up Wildflower. To be honest, I was completely shocked. I didn't pick up this collab when it initially launched. I picked it up on its restock date, and the collab sold out in 8 minutes. I was super shocked to see everything like flying as I was shopping on Colourpop's website. So I'm super happy that I was able to pick up even just these 3 pieces. So let me swatch every single shade here in this eyeshadow palette, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the colors in the eyeshadow palette. I love how there's a duochrome. It has like a green flip with like a mauve undertone, I guess, if you would call it. And then this gold shade right here that's right next to it. I feel like even though it's a gold shade, I do like that there's different ways to play with it. For example, when I was playing with this eyeshadow palette, I noticed that if I were to go in with this olive green shade, I'll show you guys. I would just put it on the lid, and then look what happens when you add that gold shimmery shade on top. I feel like you can make it totally more wearable and tone it down. So see how pretty you can make like a green shimmery shade versus just going with the initial gold shade, because sometimes they can be kind of intimidating going in with such a bold color like that. Today I did use it in the inner portion of the eye, but there's different ways to play with this, and I love how there's different color schemes. You have the warm tones, and you have a little bit of purple, mauve, and then you have more of a greeny blue shade color scheme, which what I did today. I know that for me personally, I can say I would gravitate towards these warm shades right here. So I did want to do something different. I did want to show you guys how else I would wear this palette. So I did a blue-green eye look today. So if you guys want to learn how to see this green, bluish, dual flip chrome eye look, then just keep on watching. So now that I have finished off, basically this is it for my face. I'm going to go in and finish off the eyes with you guys. So for the under eyes, I'm going to pick up this pretty green shade right here, and I'm going to do my lash line. Then I'm going to pick up this shade that I used in the transition in the crease. I'm going to apply that just on the outer portion of the eye, just to kind of connect the eye, if that makes sense, with what's going on above, on top. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the gel cream liner, my waterline. Wow, that brown. I feel like if you have brown eyes, it really makes those eyes pop. So I do like that gel cream liner. It really is easy to apply, honestly. It just glides right on. So I am a fan of their cream liners. I have tried them before, so no surprise there that they work great and they're pigmented. I think to finish off the eyes and just tie everything together, I'm going to apply inner corner highlight just to brighten things up even more. I'm going to go back in with my highlight that I used before on the face. And then for lips, I picked up her Luxe lip gloss, one of her glosses actually, because again, I was only able to pick up this gloss, or else I would have picked up more. I got this shade Wildflower. I got this shade Wildflower, and it's a super pink. I think that because it's just a gloss, it's a pretty nude gloss, like a sheer pink. I'm going to go in with a liner. I'm going in with MAC Whirl, just to line the lips prior to applying that gloss. Okay guys, so that completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed me using the @ForestSite Colourpop and Rawbeautykrisiti collab. As always, please don't forget to give this video a like if you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on a video. As always, I love you guys. Bye!